India achieves a new single-day COVID jab milestone, crosses 1 crore doses administered on Friday. Schools in Delhi to open next week in phases. Defiant Chief Minister Baghel shows no signs of stepping down, not going anywhere, the Chhattisgarh Chief Minister says after meeting with Rahul Gandhi in a show of strength brings 50 MLAs to Delhi with him. In MP, 5 COVID orphans left begging for food. The orphans, all under the age of 10, have no documents, so cannot avail of the compensation promised by the government. And in news back home, India has crossed 1 crore doses. 1 crore doses of the COVID vaccine were administered on Friday. Prime Minister Modi hailed this momentous feat, saying kudos to those getting vaccinated and those making the vaccination drive a success. And this is excellent news, and India will need to maintain this asking rate of 1 crore a day if we are to meet our year-end deadline of vaccinating all eligible adults. The Delhi government announced that schools in the capital will reopen from the 1st of September for classes 9 to 12. The Deputy Chief Minister saying the students will need parents' permission and no one will be forced to attend the classes.
A vaccination camp for teachers in Delhi. Even as Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia announced reopening of schools and coaching institutions from the 1st of September for classes 9 to 12. Middle school and primary school would reopen in subsequent phases.
रोजाना का जो पॉजिटिविटी रेट है वो भी अब 0.1% से लगातार नीचे चल रहा है पिछले कई हफ्ते से. सरकारी स्कूलों का करीब 98% टीचर एंड ऑल स्टाफ कम से कम फर्स्ट डोज ले चुका है.
No student in Delhi will be forced to attend in-person classes as the option of online teaching will continue. But to allay some fears, Manish Sisodia underlined that almost 98% of government school teachers had received at least one dose of the vaccine.
वैक्सीन भेजते थे हम बच्चों को, फिर उनका फीडबैक लेते थे, कॉल वगैरह करते थे. फिर बच्चे अब एक तो सामने हो, बच्चा एक घर पे क्या कर रहा है वो, तो उसमें बहुत परेशानियां आई थी. ऑनलाइन के बजाय उन बच्चों के लिए बेहतर रहेगा जो सामने हमारे सामने रहेंगे.
Telangana is confident that with 95% of the teaching and non-teaching staff already vaccinated, there should be no big challenges in the reopening of Anganwadi schools and colleges on the 1st of September. They also cite the example of Andhra Pradesh, where schools reopened on the 16th of August. Right now, the task of sanitizing and cleaning up the schools is happening so that the schools can be ready for the children. But parents are still apprehensive.
बच्चों का वैक्सीन भी हुआ नहीं है और बच्चे जैसे सेफ्टी मेजर्स क्या ले सकेंगे, कितना भी करो बच्चे हैं, सो मैं रिस्क नहीं उठाना चाहूँगी.
Tamil Nadu has allowed 50% attendance from the first, so classes will be split into shifts. Only one student on each desk, with staggered breaks to ensure social distancing. The government says 90% of all teaching and non-teaching staff has been vaccinated.
Every teacher in Everwin, including our correspondent also, he took along with us only. So everyone were vaccinated. We need the parents to get vaccinated so that both ends it is safety for the child.
In West Bengal, majority of government school teachers have already been fully vaccinated. Most of them in March-April ahead of the Bengal elections as they were deployed for poll duties. Fresh vaccine consignments meant for second dose and teachers are expected shortly, as the centre has announced allotment of 2 crore doses to vaccinate teachers across the country ahead of opening of schools. With Meher Pandey in Delhi, Sam Daniel in Chennai, Monideepa Banerjee in Kolkata, Uma Sudhir in Hyderabad for NDTV.
And now, orphaned due to the COVID pandemic, 5 siblings from the Valmiki community, including 3 sisters and 2 brothers, were all under the age of 10. They aged 10, 6, 3 years, 2 years, and the youngest of them just 7 months old. They are living on the charity of villagers in the Amaha village in Bhind. When it rains, they have to go to a shack at a nearby cremation ground, and they are still awaiting assistance from the government, the promises of compensation to those who have lost parents, but these children under the age of 10 don't have any ID proofs and other paperwork required in order to avail of this compensation.
Last week, Madhya Pradesh became guardian for 1,001 children orphaned due to COVID, but not to these kids in Bhind. Their rickshaw driver father Raghavendra Valmiki died during COVID pandemic in February, while their mother Girija died in June because of corona. Since then, the 5 siblings are living in a partially damaged hut in native Amaha village close to the village's cremation ground. When it rains, the 3 sisters and 2 brothers shelter under the tin shed of the cremation ground. Since their parents' death, 10-year-old Nisha, the eldest daughter, has donned the role of father and mother to her 4 younger siblings. The youngest is just 7 months old.
दूध पानी मिल जाता है, दूध मिल जाता है भाई के लिए, छोटे भाई के लिए। एक घर चाहिए, एक नल चाहिए, लाइट वगैरह सब चाहिए, और पढ़ाई चाहिए।
किससे?
सरकार से।
The children have a grandfather in the village, but neither does he stay nor looks after them, residents say, who provide them with some support.
गांव के लोगों ने सरपंच और अन्य अधिकारियों को सूचित किया, सरपंच ने भी अन्य अधिकारियों को सूचित किया, लेकिन कुछ नहीं हुआ। एक दिन जो पूर्व मंत्री हैं डॉक्टर गोविंद सिंह विधायक, उन्होंने देखा, उन्होंने संज्ञान में लेते हुए फिर आला अधिकारियों को फोन लगाया, सब किया, तब कहीं जाके इनका कुछ कागज वगैरह का हुआ।
एक शासन की नाकामी है कि कोरोना काल में बताया तो था कि उनने कि हम हर व्यक्ति की मदद करेंगे, मगर मदद कागजों में और कहने में नहीं होती है।
The administration now says that they are planning to shift these children to shelter homes soon.
उनका जो एविडेंस कलेक्ट करके देन उसके अगर बाल कल्याण योजना में अगर वो पात्र रहेंगे तो बिल्कुल उनका जल्दी ही प्रकरण बना के उसको भी सुविधा करेंगे।
In May this year, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan had announced rupees 5,000 monthly pension to COVID orphaned kids, besides free education and ration to them. But it's of no use for kids like Nisha who have no documents to avail the benefits. With Dilip Soni in Bhind and camera person Rizwan Khan in Bhopal, Anurag Dwari for NDTV.
And a 3-hour meeting held at Rahul Gandhi's home on a Friday evening signaled that the Congress's Chhattisgarh crisis is about to get worse. The Chief Minister, Bhupesh Baghel, whose job has been claimed by rival T.S. Singhdeo, has made it clear that he is not going anywhere.
I'm joined by the 2 architects of the Chhattisgarh victory in 2018, Mr. Punya as well as Mr. Bhupesh Baghel. Why have you all allowed the state of Congress party to go down to such an extent where there is a fight now between Mr. Singhdeo and yourself?
देखिए, ये सब कयास लगाए गए कि अभी लगातार हम लोग आए दिल्ली वगैरह, तो ये सब चर्चाएं होती रही। लेकिन जब भी राहुल जी से मुलाकात हुई, पुनिया जी, केसी वेणुगोपाल जी सब साथ में थे। पिछले समय भी बयान पुनिया जी ने दिया था कि हम विकास के मुद्दे पे चर्चा किए। आज भी बहुत विस्तार से दिल खोल के हम लोगों ने राजनीतिक चर्चाएं भी की और वहाँ के शासन की योजनाओं के बारे में भी बात की, और विभिन्न योजनाओं के बाद आदरणीय राहुल जी को हमने आमंत्रित किया और उन्होंने सर स्वीकार किया है हमारे निमंत्रण को, और बहुत जल्दी वो छत्तीसगढ़ बस्तर के प्रवास।
But the big issue is Mr. T.S. Singhdeo, and I will be asking Mr. Punya this question also. There was apparently, which we do not know, but apparently according to the other side, a formula of 2.5 years, and that is something
पुनिया साहब पहले बोल चुके हैं और अभी वही बोल रहे हैं।
But the fact is that how do you carry him?
T.S. सिंहदेव जी ने खुद कहा है कि कोई इस तरह का कोई फार्मूला नहीं था, और मैं जहाँ तक समझता हूँ कि मेरी कोई जानकारी नहीं है कि इस पे।
Because you have been the general secretary in charge, you are saying that there was never a formula, but he is taking claim. How do you make both of them work together?
देखिए, ये बिल्कुल गलत है कि दोनों का झगड़ा है या परीक्षण है। बहुत मधुर संबंध है, अच्छी तरह से काम कर रहे हैं, कोऑर्डिनेशन के साथ में। वो एक वरिष्ठ मंत्री की हैसियत से वो काम कर रहे हैं, उनको पूरा सम्मान दिया जाता है, तो कोई किसी तरह की शिकायत नहीं।
Are you ready to work with Mr. T.S. Singhdeo and bury all your differences?
सबको मिलके हम लोग साथ में चल रहे हैं, कोई विवाद नहीं है।
And okay, so here you have it, a very, very categorical statement by both the Chief Minister as well as the General Secretary in charge that they are ready to work together, and Mr. Punya making it clear that there was no formula and that they will be able to give with full respect and ensure that Mr. Singhdeo is given his place.